well, that was my attempt. Maybe I should just stop painting. So, as much as I hate that painting that I did, I'm forcing myself to upload it because I've done like 5 different art projects now where I filmed it, I edited it, and then I deleted the footage because I thought it was bad. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry that this exists. Bye!